my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about scarcity and choice, basic economic problem. Scarcity means when demand for goods and services exceed to supply. Scarcity means when demand for goods and services exceed to supply. That means we have limited resources but our wants are unlimited. Obviously, with this limited resources, we cannot satisfy our unlimited wants. Because of scarcity and unlimited wants, we have to make a choice. For example, we have to make choice, or we can say that we have to decide how to use limited resources in order to satisfy our needs and wants at best way. For example, you have limited amount of money. Here money is a scarce resources. With this limited amount of money, you cannot satisfy your each and every need. That's why you have to make a choice, either buy a new iPhone or save some money for a trip, so that you can receive maximum satisfaction from your money. Every choice involve opportunity cost. As we know, opportunity cost means loss of other alternative, or we can say that sacrifice of other alternative when one alternative is chosen. For example, time is limited and most valuable resources. With this limited time period, you choose study rather than rest and enjoyment. That means for doing a study, you do sacrifice of rest and enjoyment. So, sacrifice of rest and enjoyment will be called opportunity cost of choosing a study, because opportunity cost means sacrifice of other alternative when one alternative is chosen, and every choice involve opportunity cost. Scarcity generates so many problem of choices in our economy. For example, what to produce? Our resources are limited. With this limited resources, we can't produce everything. That's why it generates problem of choice. What to produce? How much quantity should be produced? How to produce? This problem related to efficient use of limited resources so that we can produce maximum output at minimum cost. For example, we have to choose between labor intensive or capital intensive technique so that we can produce maximum output with this limited resources. For whom produce? This problem is related to for whom we should produce. We should produce for rich people or for poor people. If you are going to produce for rich people, obviously you have to select superior quality and will charge higher price. If you are going to produce for poor people, you have to provide average quality and will charge a reasonable price. But you have to make all these choices. It will create problem for you. So we can say scarcity generates so many problems of choices. Scarcity and choices are inseparable. That means at every level, scarcity and choices go together. For example, at consumer level, consumer have limited resources, so he has to make choice whether to buy car or save some money for their child admission. At producer level, producer have limited resources, so he has to make choice how to use limited resources at best way. At national level, our national resources are limited, so government have to make choice how to do maximum social welfare with this limited resources. At international level, globally we face a scarcity of resources because of increasing population and consumption. That's why we have to make choice how to use this limited resources in order to receive maximum satisfaction from international trade. So this is all about scarcity and choices. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.